or those watching. By creating content that is genuine and heartfelt, content creators can increase their chances of going viral while also connecting with their audience on a more personal level. It's also worth noting that going viral isn't always a positive thing. While viral videos can lead to increased brand recognition or internet fame, they can also attract a lot of negative attention. Videos that are controversial, offensive, or misleading can quickly attract backlash online, causing harm to both the individual or brand responsible for the video and their reputation. Moreover, the impact of viral videos extends beyond just entertainment and popularity. Businesses and brands have been quick to recognize the potential of viral videos as a marketing tool. With the eyes of social media, brands have an opportunity to connect with their audiences in a more personal and engaging way than ever before. A well-crafted viral video can create a buzz around a product or service, generate leads, and increase brand awareness. However, brands need to be careful when creating viral videos. Viewers are savvy and can detect when a video is just a thinly veiled advertisement. To create a truly successful viral video, brands need to balance their marketing message with engaging and entertaining content that resonates with their audience. One example of a successful viral video campaign is the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. The challenge involved pouring a bucket of ice water over one's head to raise awareness for ALS, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, also known as Lou Gehrig's disease. The challenge quickly went viral, with celebrities, politicians, and ordinary people taking part and sharing their videos on social media. The campaign generated over $115 million in donations for the ALS Association and helped to raise awareness about the disease. Another example is the Old Spice "The Man Your Man Could Smell Like" campaign. The campaign consisted of a series of humorous commercials featuring a handsome man who took viewers on a journey through different scenarios, all while promoting Old Spice body wash. The campaign became an instant viral hit and helped Old Spice become a brand synonymous with humor and masculinity. One of the most critical factors in creating a successful viral video campaign for a brand is to understand the audience. What are their interests, passions, and pain points? What type of content resonates with them? By understanding the audience, brands can create content that speaks directly to their needs and desires and is more likely to be shared and discussed on social media. Another key factor is to be creative and innovative with the content. Viral videos need to stand out from the crowd if they are to attract attention and inspire sharing. Brands need to be prepared to take risks, experiment with new formats and approaches, and produce content that is unique and memorable. At the same time, viral video campaigns need to be aligned with the brand's overall marketing message and goals. Viral videos that create a lot of buzz but aren't aligned with the brand's values or image can do more harm than good. Another important consideration for creating a viral video is accessibility. With so many people accessing the internet through their mobile devices, videos that are optimized for mobile viewing tend to perform better than those that are not. This means that videos should be short, concise, and easy to watch on a small screen. Captions are also important, especially for viewers who might be watching the video with the sound off. By making videos more accessible, content creators can increase their chances of going viral. Furthermore, it's important to note that the format of a video can also affect its virality. For example, videos that are created in the form of a challenge tend to do well on social media platforms. Challenges often involve users creating their own versions of the video and sharing them with their friends and followers, which can contribute to the video's virality. The challenge went viral and raised millions of dollars for ALS research. Lastly, engaging with the audience can also play a significant role in a video's virality. Videos that encourage comments, Shares or other forms of engagement tend to do well on social media platforms. Engaging with the audience can help to create a sense of community and connection, which can lead to more shares and engagement. Thanks for watching.